This is Biohacking Nurse, and we are in week 14 of our house build. So the rendering is complete, and they're gonna do the tiles, and they've also got the fence up. We have chosen beautiful succulent plants for our garden. So the first room on the left is our baby's room. We have chosen a very soft carpet, which is charcoal grey. And the second room on the left is our main bedroom. So the back of our room has the wardrobe, which is really long. It's more convenient putting in the back because it's easier to access. So the wardrobe has a very good quality to it, and we were able to change the knobs of the wardrobe. We bought the knobs from Bunnings to give it that Hampton feel. So this is our ensuite in our bedroom, and it's got the 2 sinks for the Mr. and Mrs. We got them to install a large niche for our shampoo and conditioners. We have chosen the round shower head, which is good quality and makes it look luxurious. Our ensuite mirror is also a cabinet for that extra storage. We also installed a power point inside it so that when our device is charged, it can be put away. It makes it very convenient having one there. We also got the soft closing toilet bowl. This is the other bedroom. Our house is a 4-bedroom, and this is a standard size. All our bedrooms have the mirrored built-in wardrobe. It also has 2 double power points and a TV connection. We also connected Ethernet on the wall for faster internet connection. All the wardrobes has 4 drawers as well as hanging spaces. This is our main bathroom, and we've chosen a big bath and a gooseneck tap. We've also got the full frameless shower. It also has the niche and the round shower head. We have chosen dark floor tiles and white wall tiles all the way to the ceiling. Upgrading to a full frameless shower screen is more convenient and easier to clean. We also chose floating vanity with stone top. The exhaust has 2 function light heaters. This is our laundry, and it came with a dryer for our build. The splashback tiles are H&M Subway white with herringbone layout. We chose the Polytech laminate top called the Blanco Marquise. Doors are Polytech melamine polar white. We've really thought about the house, and we've got a broom cupboard with a power point so we can put our vacuuming in. So the grass is complete for the landscaping, and the fence is all up and ready. So we went to Harvey Norman to get our bed, and it was delivered and also installed for us for free. For the kitchen, we went with a 900mm large Westinghouse gas cooktop and a large 900mm Westinghouse oven, stainless steel finish. We chose a Hampton style kitchen island. We went with quantum quartz white swirl 40mm stone benchtop at 1.1 by 2.4 meters. Below is a decorative plinth on the back and the side of the island bench. The kickboard is also a decorative plinth. We have chosen the brand Polytech, and it's made out of polyurethane doors, which is more durable and more cost effective on repairs. For the doors, we've chosen a profile style called Oberon with 60% gloss of Lexicon quarter-inch colour. We have chosen a Westinghouse French door fridge to match our Hampton style kitchen. And don't forget to install a USB and power point on the kitchen island. We also installed a Westinghouse dishwasher in stainless steel for the kitchen. We've also installed 4 overhead display glass doors with colonial bars. It has 2 glass shelves to each display cabinet and 2 display lights to the top of the display cabinets. We also installed a walk-in pantry for extra food storage. From Freedom we purchased the Larson's dining chair to make that Scandinavian wood look. From Harvey Norman we got the Tenterfield dining table, and it's the size of 105 by 210 centimeters. It's constructed from hardy Victorian ash hardwood. For our alfresco doors, we've chosen one with no post in the middle for extra room when the doors open. We have chosen not to put any door handles to give that modern mix. Our undermount sink is called the Abbey Piazza, which is a stainless steel about 725 x 400mm at 200mm deep. The splashback tiles is a Subway white gloss bevel with a layout pattern of brick bond and white grout, and it's always nice to include a spice rack in the kitchen. And all the doors have a Hattich soft close. Normally Hampton style they use a coach light pendant for the kitchen, but we went with a cage light pendant style. So we also made the lights automated, and it runs with Google, and all I have to say is, "Hey Google, turn on kitchen lights."
Alright, turning on 3 lights.
And also you can turn it off. So, "Hey Google, turn off kitchen lights."
Alright, turning 3 lights off.
There we go. Google could also dim the lights to 10%, 20% as well. And from Domain we purchased the Color Modular Lounge, which is a custom size for our lounge room. We also put in plantation showers for our main bedroom, our baby's bedroom, and in the lounge room. So what's really cool is that we installed a blinds that's automatic, and you can just use this remote to make it go down. So I'll just show you how to do it. And there we go. So it's really convenient, and just because the blinds are really heavy, it's easier to bring it down, and I can stop it with the remote. For the house paint, we've chosen shell grey for the downpipes, we've chosen crisp white for the eaves, crisp white for the doors, and they're glossy, and flat white for the ceiling, and the walls are cotton touch. For the landscape, we've also included Australian native plants for the side of our garage. We've chosen James Hardie linear board cladding with shell grey paint. We've also included an intercom to see who's knocking at the front door. We went with Actron Air for our air conditioning. It has 3 zones. We bought a front loader from Good Guys, which is a brand called Asco. They said it's a really good brand and it really washed well. If you're gonna get a dryer, make sure you get a condenser dryer because you can just empty the water out instead of releasing the moisture out from the window. I hope you enjoyed the house tour, and if you have any questions about the house build, just comment below. And I just want to say thank you to Glendonbrae Homes for building our home.